This way.
No, yeah, we can. Let's do that.
Tell you what, let's get a picture of the map.
That is yacht. Wow, look at. Whoa.
Is it what?
Is this wood or clay?
This way.
It's one
Another type wood there. Where are you going? This way. I don't know. That tree. Oh, get off your phone.
Oi!
What do you mean? Alright, put your phone away. Look at him.
Catch you back of my head. You better bloody clap. Come on. We've been staring for 20 minutes. What? That was a really good. That's what else. Give it up, let's do it. Right, here we go. 3 fire torches blindfolded on a 9-foot unicycle. Some quick safety advice before I light the fire. If at any point now it does look like I'm gonna hit you, I am. If I start looking bigger, trust me, get ready. Secondly, if it was to go wrong, especially while I'm blindfolded, if I was to fall off and accidentally throw a torch into the audience and kill one of the small children, I'm really sorry. And if that did happen today, ladies, come and see me at the end. I'll help you make a new one. That went over really well. Right, one last thing before I get over this. The reason I'm up here about to risk my life blindfolded for your entertainment. And that reason is, this might be a surprise for a lot of you, but this is actually my job. This is what I do for a living. About 10 years ago now, I quite a crowd, but I like you guys. I'm going to give you all the tricks. First one, a double spin. If I get it, a nice big ooh from the crowd. Second one, behind the back. If I get it, a nice big ah. Last one before the blindfold. Under the leg. Yeah, right. No, I can do it. As you can imagine, it's very difficult on a 9-foot unicycle. Under the leg, with the fire. If I get it, seriously, come on, no more staring. Make some proper noise. After this, the big finish. Here we go. Under the leg, with the fire. My brother tried this trick. Now he's my sister. Under the leg, with the fire.
I like you.
Did you see it? Oh, there you go. I ran out of wind away my face. In the air. As you can imagine. Thank you. Let's do it properly for the front to the back. Come on, I've given you my best. One last time, give me your best. Everyone together. Together, clap.
Who's this? Who's these people? Who these people? Hello? Hello.
It's really big. Who lives here, Dad?
No, but it's a little church.
Alex, what for dinner?
Mark,
Don't get it's HD. That don't get too close to my face.
Dad, please stop to give £3.
Why?
All even these slate people, why you got this one, why you got that one. If someone does a good job, you don't say.
Jesse, in the way, darling. Move away.
Just the left.
Bum. Oh.
That is too big.
They might fall.
Where are we, Dad?
We are here.
Where's here?
Look, right here.
Hello.
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 What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hedwig said hello. Hello, Mommy. Hello.
I don't know.
Yeah.
People that
Yeah.
do work down there.
What happens if people jump down there? Dad, what happens if people jump down there? Dad,
It's a video.
Daddy, what happens?
That's a video. Oh, keep walking. Sorry. Keep walking. Silly. Come on, darling. Boom.
Just because you said something, doesn't mean you are
That's
something.
stolen. Stolen.
Guys. Purple guys in the middle of the road. I hold Jessie hand, please. Oh, smell lovely. Oh, I don't know, you might not like it. Get the pork one. Jessie, eat it, please.
Wait, can't come in.
I got it. Just on time.
Where do you got them, Mom?
Thai. What you got? Mixed stuff. I like orange. Go on.
Alright, so Hey,
Hey. Huh?
me and Mum are gonna hold hands out, okay? Both of you have to pick a hand. You don't open your hand.
I'm not open it.
You have to pick a hand. It can be Mum's, it can be mine, or it can be any hand.
I got it.
Daddy will
Come on, mate.
Okay.
Right, don't open your hand.
Which one this?
Right, stop. No, see?
Okay.
You pick that hand. Okay.
You get 2 goals.
No, I get 1 goal. You pick that hand. Put your hand on her hand. Oh, you pick one, Alex. Right. So you've got something now.
You got something.
We've got something in both of our, in all of our hands. Okay. I've got 2 things. Mum's got 2 things. So you've already won something. All right.
You want something.
But you now get a choice. You have won whatever is in this hand, but you get a choice to change it to the other hand if you want. That is your choice. Change hands? Do it now.
Do it now. Change your hand.
You want to change hands, Alex?
No.
Definitely not?
Yeah.
Definitely 100% no.
Yeah. Do your hand.
You sure? Sure you don't want to swap?
I have a bad feeling though.
Right, if you have a bad feeling, you can swap if you want.
I'm gonna swap.
You have to swap.
Yeah.
100%. Alright, well we're going to show you what you've won in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
What?
What did Mummy
It doesn't.
What did Alex win?
Hey.
Well done, you chose correct.
We got 1. I got 1 too. Yeah. We got 1. Thank you, Daddy.
I give you £5 back for the hot dog.
And me and Mum get a mint.
Yeah, you get mint. That is this one mine?
Yeah.
That said this one is mine. Thank you, Dad.
I look after it for you.
Thank you, Daddy. No, you're not. No.
Alright, but put it in your pocket.
I don't have a pocket.
I look after
We'll
it
put
for
it
you.
in our pocket for you, okay?
I look after it for you.
Sure. Don't lose it.
No, it's mine.
Go on half price, what?
Oh.
Dad.
Oh, we're going to walk down this way.
Okay.
I don't know, can you walk through it?
What shape is that?
Oh, we go back this way.
We'll walk half an hour till.
So we go left, you go right, I mean, and then you go straight on. Then there's a fork, you have to go right, then you go across the bridge. And then you go left, and then you do...
There's not food on the table. Must be part.
Across the bridge there, what? Yeah, exactly. We got it.
I'm on a bear trap.
Jesse. Jump.
That's a jump.
Jump. Woo. What's your name? Woo. Alex very busy on his phone.